Hello everyone, I'm Liana again with the Music Academy International, and this is our technique series in part 1 and 2 previously videos. I did explain you what are the scale, why it's good for us to know them and for you, and what's about the C scale. I definitely encourage you to look on that and practice that for a while, because it would be really beneficial, and this tutorial and the next that they're coming, they will be much easier for you if you practice those. It's like building blocks, one after the other one and the other one and the other one. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about and we're going to practice the G major. So G major, it's obviously it's going to start with G and then with G. But why G major? It's first scale that we practice after C major. This is very important. And why I'm not going D major and E major and stuff like that? Because scales are coming accordingly to the circle of fifth. Okay? So they are coming from 5 in 5 on a fifth pattern. So C major was no flats, no sharps. It was only white keys only. So our first scale that's gonna have one sharp, it's 5 notes. So the name of the scale that has one sharp, it's 5 notes above the C. All right, and then with 2 sharps, they're gonna be 5 notes above the G. From G, 5 notes is gonna be called D major. So that's D major. They're gonna have 2 sharps, and then if you go further from D, you go another 5 notes above, you're gonna find A that is gonna have 3 sharps. You get the point? From A, if you're gonna go, I'm gonna go again A here so you can see my hands better. So from A, if you count another 5 keys above A, you're gonna find E. So we're gonna have E major that has 4 sharps, and then again we're gonna find B that's gonna have 5 sharps, and then it's gonna have F sharp that's gonna have from B a fifth. It's called the perfect fifth, but you don't need to know that. It's gonna have what did I say? 6 sharps, and then the last one is gonna be C sharp major. So practically we're doing a full circle. We're starting with C major that doesn't have any sharps or flats, white keys only, and then in the circle of fifth, we're calling a circle because it comes kind of in a circle. That's how it's in my mind to explain. It's much logical. Goes 1 sharp, 2 sharps, 3 sharps, 4, 5, 6, and 7, in which we're arriving to C sharp major, and we're gonna have all keys. They're gonna be played sharps. So C sharp, D sharp. Instead of playing C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, C sharp major will have C sharp, D sharp, E sharp, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B sharp, C sharp. Is it not fun? Alright, so let's get it. So that was a little theory lesson for all the sharps. So let's go with it. G major. As I said, we're starting with G. There's 7 notes played one after the other one, with the next one, with the top one being the 8th one. And then again, we're having a group of 3 keys and then of 4 keys. The fingering are exactly the same as in C major. So you have nothing to practice again. And then we're having attached what is new. So we're starting with G and with G, but we do have the F sharp. That's the key signature. Key signature is gonna be F sharp. So every song that you're gonna see it as the key with 1 sharp, right? That sharp can only be the F sharp. And the major scale that it is G major, and the only major scale that has 1 sharp, and that 1 sharp is exactly the F sharp. It's gonna be G major. Let me play it for you. G, A, B, 1, 2, 3, under the finger number, 1, 2, 3, F sharp, G, easy as that. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then 3, 2, 1. I told you it's easy. It's exactly the same like C major. Did you practice the C major? And And then you see with number 4 I'm playing the F sharp. Nothing here. Left hand. Smokey's here and he is happy to be with us. Alright. Left hand goes exactly like the C major. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 over 3 F sharp on finger number 2, G, and then back. 1, 2, 3 under. This time you don't need to practice too many times. Right and left hand. If you know C major, as I told you in the other one, you could play this one in like 5 minutes. Do the right hand 5, 6, 7 times. Left hand 5, 6, 7 times. 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, and then you can put it both hands right away. Under. F sharp G, G, F sharp E under. One more time. F sharp G. I hope I'm going enough slow. If I'm not going enough slow, let me know in the comments. Right now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do for those that they're trying to do 2 octaves as well. So I'm gonna tell you first octave goes exactly the same thing. And what you're gonna do now, you're gonna land on finger number 1 on G both hands. And what is the drill? You're gonna pause a little bit, right? Don't go further before you thinking. What you need to think about, turn left hand number 4 and then immediately pay attention to the number, to the right hand in which goes, she plays number 3 and then immediately number 1 under. And then you just finish it up. I'm gonna go again. Normal 1 octave playing, stop. Number 4 and 3, right? You're thinking 4 left hand, 3 right hand, under. Do that couple of times, 10 times, right? And then right now going back, exactly the same thing like 1 octave, landing 1, 1, you hold a little bit, you're thinking, what you thinking? The right hand is gonna turn 4, left hand is gonna turn 3 and 1 immediately. 4, 3 and 1 left hand turns and let it go all the way down. Alright, again. What's happening? Number 4 turns here, number, and then immediately left hand this, right? This is it, and then you can go faster. Pause, think, left hand 4, right hand 3, 1. Under, pause, and then you go further. You wanna go one more further? Thank you so much for watching. In the next video, we're gonna go 2 sharps, and 2 sharps, they're gonna be D major. You remember? So D major is a 5th above the G. So if you calculate 5 notes apart from G, you're gonna find that from G to D, it's 5 notes apart. So D will have 2 sharps. Thank you so much for watching. Click like, subscribe, ring the bell so you know when my next video is coming, okay? And I love you very much. Please practice. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoy our tutorials and my performances. Music Academy International, it's a non-profit foundation. Its goal is to provide financial support for talented pianists to study with international teachers. Please consider to become part of our Patreon family, link below. By subscribing, $5-10 a month will really go long way. All our family friends and students, they do have access to our private channel called Master Piano Live with Liana, and where I am holding a live seminar once a month. Thank you so much, and God bless you.